So this flashlight works intermittently. Sometimes it works, sometimes it does not. So I am trying to figure out what is going on. Let's see. So this is a barrel which contains the 3 batteries, and let's see. All contacts seem okay, but still let's clean it a little bit. So the batteries are in, and let's see if it works. Still not working. So checking the continuity with the ohm meter. So the switch is not working. The problem is with the switch. Since the switch cannot be repaired, so all of it needs to be disposed. Thanks for watching.